Good morning to the best family on YouTube. Well, good morning, you guys from Guam, all over the world. Um, Today's gonna be a pretty good day because honestly, my brother and our family we're gonna go jet skiing. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. Hopefully, we don't get wiped out. But first of all, um, I know today it's gonna be a chill day. Then at 5, we're gonna have a dinner. So be right back. Going to change first. Okay, I just got dressed. Just going to put on my shades and I think probably my baguette. But what's it called? Just you know, doing what we usually do. Um, as of now, we I was watching the football game. As of now, Falcons are winning against um, what's that called? Seahawks. Seahawks is down by 2, so it's Atlanta winning right now. Yep. I really want my team to win, you know. My team Seahawks, you know. They've been to the Super Bowl and I want them to be in the Super Bowl again. Yep. Be right back. What up, guys? Just wondering that. Just waiting for my brother and his girlfriend to come back, and we'll be out. Just wondering, like, hey, you guys give me a thumbs up, subscribe right now. Really, dude. Like, if you guys subscribe, I'll give you guys a shout out. You know, you guys help me reach my likes, reach my subscribe number. That'll be good. Shout out right now, as of now, because he's been doing a lot of things for me, you know. So shout out to Keone Cruz. His YouTube channel it's officially KJ Cruz. So check him out. Check him out on his Instagram also, his Snapchat, his Facebook, all of his social media. Dude, honestly, he's a good vlogger, you know. As of now, yep. So I give props to him. Shout out to him also again. You know, today, which is Sunday, it's a good day because Sunday is where you spend time with family. So that's what we're doing now. We even have a 4-day weekend because we got Saturday and Sunday, which is always. Then Monday and Tuesday. Monday is Martin Luther King, and Tuesday is Professional Development Day. So you know that leaves a lot of what's it called, time, you know, because we're still in our break mode. So you know, true for that. I'll catch you in the meantime.
Get a wide variety of premium items like bags,
Oh snap!
lanyards,
Accident on that side.
name or logo. You can choose from hundreds of different items to personalize, and special orders are always welcome. Call American Printing at 646-7873 to find out more about how they can help your next event or promotion be a success. Or stop by American Printing across from GPO in Sonoma.
Island weather on 95.5 K Stereo.
And now it's time to check in with your island weather. Courtesy of the National Weather Service in Teesing, and also brought to you by 95.5 K Stereo. For today's weather, partly sunny with isolated showers, light and variable winds, highs around 88. And tonight through Martin Luther King Jr. Day, mostly cloudy with isolated showers, light and variable winds, lows near to 78. South winds 5 knots with waves 2 feet plus.
Baby, so we're gonna
Along
swim?
east-facing reefs is 3 to 5 feet and 2 to 4 feet along your north-facing reefs.
No
and 1 to 3
jet
feet elsewhere.
ski.
Yeah, you're gonna ride on
Risk is
the
at a
jet
low,
ski.
however strong current
No.
winds
Yeah,
near
you
rivers
strap
and reef
yourself
channels,
around
so
me.
always have a
No,
quotation to
I wanna
Scared, Louis.
in the next time,
Okay?
You're gonna enjoy it.
No.
And the sun will set at 6:15 p.m. That'll do it for your island weather, courtesy of the National Weather Service and TTN brought to you by 95.5 Stereo.
Oh, fresh powder. I'll get the skis. I can't. Winter nasal congestion. Is it A, cold, B, sinus pressure, C, allergies? I'm not sure. For all of the above, the answer is D, Allegra D. A maximum strength decongestant plus a powerful non-drowsy antihistamine for 24 hours of relief. Feel better.
Yep. Feel like racing?
This winter, the answer is Allegra D.
We're still gonna
For
be
Allegra
in
D is the pharmacy counter. Choose it directly.
So we are here now in Simunyi, just past ITC building, and we're almost at our destination. This is one of my subscribers, my little brother. So if you guys do like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll be posting more videos for my little niece, not my little brother.
What's Tyler doing?
So we are
I wanna go to
You know, like that?
Yes, after this we might go. If we have time, because remember we still got our dinner.
Oh, we gotta eat.
Yeah, we got our dinner at 5.
Baby, who's the phone?
Okay.
But I'm hungry.
That's at 5. Put on your hat. So we are here at our destination. We are going to jet ski, but sadly I can't bring it. Won't be jet ski. I'll be catching you guys later on. I'll tell you about it, and yeah. You don't need to bring our stuff down now. Go check your chin.
Oh, stupid.
I need to put a sunblock on because I'm wearing tank top.
Where? Where?
Right there, watch out. Mom told Dad to open the trunk.
Is that dead?
Dad, can you open the trunk?
Is it dead?
Of course it is. Look at all the red ants.
Going to put on some sunblock.
Why?
Oh.
Napkin is for before you cut the sugar, you walk my pudding.
Okay, we are heading in.
Louie, look at him.
Don't do that. That's for the...
We are heading in. So, catch you there when we get into there. So, Unfortunately, our jet ski planning is at 10,
You guys take picture of both.
and we are here at the beach. Yup.
I wanna at least try for once. Can I take off my
Over here. Put it here.
Yup.
I can take off my slippers.
Put it up there. Dust it off. Louis.
So we are waiting for our turn.
I got it.
Fortunately, he's gonna go somewhere first. But anyway, we are here at the beach. So pretty big beach, you know.
Seriously?
So
Here.
if you guys have any questions where the beach is, comment down below and I'll message you. We're here at Onward. You could see
Not
Onward.
really.
And Sally can't bring it into the water because it's not waterproof.
Anything else?
Yes, my bag. Here with this. Sally, I can't use it. Bring it into the water because it's not waterproof. But I'll let you know.
Oh, put that. Pop it. Oh, never mind. I'm good.
I'll let you know after the swimming break. So I'm gonna do a quick interview of the jet ski. So Louis, how did you like the jet ski?
I said 8.5 out of 10.
No, but how did you like the ride? Fun? Yeah. How fast did you guys go?
30 and 40.
The jet ski color me black.
30
Mom,
and-
how did you like the jet ski ride?
Oh my God. We actually remembered how to live life when our son took us on this tour
Yep.
to underneath the Two Lovers Point Cove, and it was just beautiful. It was beautiful. We're so busy we forgot how to live life with our children. It was our children who reminded us to live life.
Dad, how did you like the
I
jet ski?
enjoyed it. Hey, Tyler. It smells like beach and
So now we are gonna enter.
I
Chris,
got
your
a
bag's
GoPro.
open.
Walk with your brother, Kelly.
Yeah, go
Oh,
walk
Kelly's
with your
hand.
brother.
You don't want to get lost.
Mom, me and
That-
Kelly were having me and Kelly
So we are heading into the water park.
Christian and Tyler were
And-
having a sandball fight.
Oh, I thought you were
Yeah.
having a moment.
Dude, honestly, let's go make Christian, my
You know
dad,
this?
Christian, dad, and me ride on the manta again. Except Christopher's not here, so I'm replacing him.
I would just leave the tour. Bring out
Yeah,
rubber boat.
like, what's that called? This was like long time, but like my brother Christian and Christopher rode with my dad on the manta, and my dad had to roll off. Then when Christopher,
Rode with
or the
beautiful
two,
tourists.
he rode with two beautiful tourists, and once they landed, he got out and he let the two tourists carry it by itself. Oh, shame, right? That's messed up. So, Mom, can you carry this?
What, it's heavy?
Yeah, what did you bring? The house?
Yes.
So,
I brought the wardrobe. Where's that?
I don't know that.
Hello?
So, we are heading into Onward Water Park. And Sally, I cannot swim with the phone because it's not waterproof. But it's okay. So, I'll catch you when we head into the stuff. So we are in now. And we are going to try
Let's do the
the barefoot walk. So
3, 2, 1.
Ouch. Ouch.
Why you're supposed to run through it?
No, that's hurt.
That's skirt. Skirt.
Ah, past it. Past it.
So we are now in Amber Water Park. Yeah. So I'm gonna set my stuff down.
Ooh. What time is it? 12?
Why? What do you want? Ring toss?
Really? Ring toss and beat bucket?
We lost that now. We're not on a budget. Why are you using him?
Here, ang lagi.
Yeah, one child. Oh, you can consider him a kid too.
I need
You
my
can
leg.
Look at him shorter. Like
No,
that.
look at her.
Mom,
Look at her.
yeah.
Look at her height.
Mom.
Louie, look.
Louis, your daddy. Hello. Take your baby.
I need my
So
leg.
now we just entered in.
Or do I?
Yeah, you can go get one.
Now we were going.
Oh wow.
Okay, go faster, Mom.
We are in a water park. Sadly, I can't put it in the water, so
There's four.
I'll catch you back once we're done here. Mom, over here. Once we're done, I'll catch you back with the. Welcome to the end of vlog. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys or comment down below if you want any more to do. Check you guys later. Shoot.